Gertrude. There's Gertrude. Good morning, Gertrude. You check out Jason from Sow The Land. You get to see Bernice. I don't know Jason, but I love watching videos. And he's got Bernice 1, Bernice 2, and Sally Henny Penny. So Jason, if you see this, give it a thumbs up. Woo! It is still just muddy, muddy, muddy everywhere. Well, it ain't froze, it's mud. But that's all right. Well, somebody forgot to close the chicken door again last night. And that would have been me. Let's check on these babies first this morning. See if they're okay. We got one sick inside nursing it. Oh, they're all under the light, so it must be cold in there. They got plenty of water, food. Let's check on these cows. They're all good. Water's froze. Water's froze. We're going to turn these girls out today. They are going out on their own. On the chickens, everybody's good. Chicken doors open. Another chicken. Hey girls. Oh, we got one egg this morning. It's still early. There's mama chicken. All the animals that had babies before we bought the farm. There was one chicken on it when we bought it, and that was mama chicken. So if you hear me refer to anything as mama, that's because it already had been a mama before us. All right, let's check out here. Oh, everybody looks good out here. There's Big Mama 11, her little heifer calf. Hey girl. Yeah, we know you love us. All right. The water's not totally froze, but it's cold. Let's take a look out back. I didn't want them to have any babies last night, but they usually have them on the worst nights, the worst times possible. Looks like everybody's doing good out here. Babies are finding their way in the herd. That's the latest one. I think they named her Wendy. It was really windy that day when she was born. And she was a 70-pound calf, good healthy little calf. There's Storm checking out the tractor. Little girl wants to know what this is all about. What's all these big girls over here looking at? Hey girl, I'm gonna try to get up here and ride. Alright, let's head over here and feed the horses. We'll get these chores wrapped up. Feeding anyway.